What's up, guys? I want to welcome you to this segment of the training, and I want to believe that you've gone through the first video and that you fully understood what we did there. In this section, we're talking about how to create a channel and how to optimize it for success. I want to assume at this stage that you have your content ready, minimum of 10 contents. Then I will show you how to create a channel, how to optimize it, and then ready for success. So come with me.
So I'll quickly go to youtube.com. I want to assume that maybe you have a channel already or you want to add a new channel. So remember that for you to create a channel, your channel is tied to an email address. So I'll just create a new channel outside the ones I have already. So I'll just go to switch account. I want to use a new email address. I want to add it to a new email address. So this is one of my emails, so I will use this. Once I sign in, once I succeed in signing in with that email address, so I'll go to this place, come to this point, so I can now go ahead and create a channel using this email. So at this point, I will give it a name. So I've decided I'll call it Motivation TV. Let me give it Motivation TV. Go ahead and create my channel. We have succeeded in giving it a name which can still be changed. Maybe after creating this channel, you still want to modify the name, you can go ahead. Now this is our new channel. Good. So I'll quickly show you how to sign in on TopBuddy. So let's assume I just installed the TopBuddy. You notice that it's telling me that TopBuddy sign in is required. So I'll just click on this and then click on sign in with YouTube. Select the email. There are a lot of emails that are listed. So I'll select the email that has that account, and then it will now show me all the channels that are listed that are tied to this email for me to now select the one I want. You can see this guy allow. So if for instance I had more than one channel on this email, it will tell me to select the particular one that I want. So because I had just one, it automatically signed me in using that one. What I will do next is to I must have decided that there's a channel I want to model. So in optimizing my channel for success, what do I do? So this is what I usually do. I'll go to customize channel. So under customize channel, just click on continue. At this stage, this is where you select your channel image. You understand, you want to design an image for this channel, like an icon. You want to select a banner. The banner is what you see when you open a channel. There's a banner you see here. I'll quickly open a channel I want to model so that you understand what I mean. This is the banner. So I want to model motivation arc. So you can see the kind of banner they have. Very simple, and you can see the icon. I want to model this channel. I'll go to Canva and design some of these things. Canva.com is an app that I use to create quick designs. But I can't be teaching you that in this video because it's beyond the scope of this video. But it's easy to use. You have templates already. Just use templates to create what you want. So I'll just go to create design, YouTube channel ads. There are list of items you can search and quickly create a banner for my channel. There are lots of templates. You can see templates here. I'll just select any one that I feel is good for me. Change the name, duration. We change the font style. Quickly, I'll just go ahead and download this. It might not be the final step, but for the sake of this video, I'll just quickly show you how it works. So let's assume I am done with that. So I'll just go to my channel. Remember, we are still under customization. At this stage, I will select upload and then select this, open, and then you can see how it will look like on desktop, on TV, and on all devices like phones and all that. So I'll click on done, then publish. I'll just go back to my channel, refresh. So you can see the artist has been uploaded. So if you want to change this, what you just need to do, still under customization, you can go back to Canva and quickly close this, design channel logo. Like I said, there are also templates you can just select and then create what you want. Vision TV. So I'll just call this MTV. I'll just download this PNG. So like I said, I'm not going to show you the detailed explanation on how to make designs on Canva. And these are things you can easily learn. They are very easy. There are videos online. So just download this and then go back to my channel. All that. These are very important because they help to make your channel stand out. So easy identification by your audience. So I'll publish, go back and refresh. Once that is done, the next thing you might want to do, still under channel optimization, is to go to basic information. Under basic information, this is where you talk about your channel. So remember, we are modeling one, so I can just go to the about page, see what they have written. This channel is about improving people's lives through motivation, inspiration, and education from. Please don't copy verbatim so that you don't get your channel reported. So you can just copy this, paste it here, and now modify it. You can edit it, you can change it to suit your need and all that. So in case I decide to change the name of my channel, I can click on this to change the name. Now the next thing you want to do, still under this channel, that's under channel optimization, is to copy the channel tags. Now you can see the channel keywords. These are the keywords that are tied to this channel, so that when people search for these keywords, that this channel should come up. So I can just click on copy keywords and click on copy to clipboard, then come to my channel. Under settings, I'll come to channel. You see keywords there, so I'll just go ahead and paste it. You can see that there already, so I'll just click on save. So still under that settings, there's some things you need to configure your channel if you want it to progress. So I'll go to on that channel. There you can decide to select the country where you are residing, and under advanced settings you might want to show the number of subscribers you have. So for most new YouTubers, they don't show their subscribers because they don't want people to be discouraged by the low number of subscribers they have, but that doesn't really matter. So you can hide your subscriber from here. Then you can also come back to feature and eligibility. This is very important. Now if you notice, there are things that are not enabled. Standard features is already enabled. Intermediate features, you are eligible but you have not, is not enabled because there are some things you need to do. So if you don't do this, you won't be able to upload your own thumbnails and you won't be able to do live streaming. Under advanced features, increase daily video upload, which means if you don't enable this, there is a limit to number of videos you can upload in a day. So I'll just go to intermediate features and enable it. So you do that by verifying your phone number. Once you click on that, it asks you, takes you to a stage where you enter your phone number and then they'll send a verification code and then you verify it. So make sure you verify your phone number, you proceed from there. I'll quickly explain what we have on this left hand side so that you understand how these tabs work. Now the dashboard is just telling you a brief summary of how your channel is performing. So far you can see that the channel has 0 subscribers, you have no videos and all that. Now under content, that is where you get to see all your videos that you've uploaded, both live content and uploads. You can delete, you can modify, you can edit and all that. Then playlist, this is where you get to see all the playlists you have. Playlist is just like categorizing videos based on particular category or cluster. If you feel that these videos are for men, maybe men motivation, these are for children, for those suffering depression, you understand, you can create playlists around that, just like the normal playlist you have in your music app on your phone. So analytics, basically this is an understanding, an overview of how your channel is performing, how viewers are responding to your content and how they interact with your channel. So you get to see the breakdown. It helps you to understand how your viewers are behaving or how they are consuming your content, and helps you to even know how to go ahead with content creation. This comment section shows all the comments in your videos, and then you can also respond to comments from here and all that. Now subtitles basically show the subtitles that you uploaded for your videos. So copyright section, this copyright section is an area you need to put an eye, particularly if you are starting new on YouTube. By the time you upload content, and when producing your content, use some items like video clips, some songs that you are not licensed to use or they are not free for you to use. Once you upload them, YouTube algorithm takes time to go through your video, scan through to ensure that you have not used someone's content without proper attribute or without proper authorization. So once that is flagged, it comes under this case. So once you click on this, it will show you if there's any video that is having any copyright strike or copyright claim. It will show you under this tab and tell you what to do and show you the particular area that is affected. Now the next thing is monetization, which we are going to talk about later. Monetization is basically showing you your progress as per your monetization journey. For you to achieve monetization, you need to get 1,000 subscribers. So far we have 0 over 1,000. You need to have 4,000 watch hours. So far we have 0. You need to enable your two-step verification, which is very easy, just for you to click turn on and follow the process. And you need to have 0 active community strikes within the time you are applying. Once you progress, as you keep uploading content and people watch your video, you get to see how things are changing. So I'll quickly switch to one of my channels so that you can see how it works or how progress we've made so far. So let me switch to one of my channels that you see. You can see so far we have achieved this criteria and we are nearing achieving this too. So out of 4,000, we are still like 600 down or over 500 down. So once we clock this, it ticks this green mark and then we are good. So you can now apply. Before now, if your channel is new, you'll be allowed to tick this button. By the time you tick this button, what it means that YouTube will send you an email in case you forget to check. It will send you an email that you have reached the requirements, you can now apply. So once you tick this, it helps you to remind you in case you forget. Under customization, see back to customizing your channel, like branding, the basic information and all that. Audio library is an area that most YouTubers don't really know about. Audio library is where you get contents, like if for instance you want to create videos and you get to see some videos that have some background music and all that. This is where I download my background music. They are free for use. You can see license type. You are free to use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. No attribution is required. So you can play any of those audios. There are also sound effects. So some of this video editing that you see people do, and they put some effects, sound effects at the background. This is where they then get these audios, and by the time you use them, nobody charges you for copyright infringement. So you can get your contents from here, download them, just use them in your video editing and all that. So that is basically all you need to know about these tabs. Talk about this, the tabs, channel optimization, all that. So you need to learn how to use Canva. Like I told you, there are videos online that help you. With Canva is something you can learn within a few hours, and then you need your laptop or a phone to design on Canva or to make some creative design. So basically that is it for this section of training. We'll continue from other sections and all that. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you learned a lot. So please don't forget, if you have any question, don't forget to drop it on the comment section. I'll be willing to attend to them. I will attend to you immediately. I see the comments, I will attend to it. So thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day.